Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carmen Garcia and I appreciate you coming to visit me. Happy Friday, by the way. I am about to enjoy the most amazing pasta with this sauce that I made from pesto, the green pesto with basil, garlic, olive oil, a little bit of sea salt and pepper. And all I did was grab some beetroots from the market, the fresh organic market of course, and I put that in the oven for about 50 to 55 minutes, say about an hour. Let them cool down. I grabbed my blender and I grabbed my pesto from the store. I actually make it myself, but you can do either. And you blend those two together and you have this amazing pink sauce. And guess what? It's not only healthy for you, but it tastes amazing. So for all you pasta lovers out there who are sick of the tomato and the same damn sauces, here's to you.